So welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be dressing up the engine bay on the Audi TT Mark 1 and we will be using quantum quality solution parts to do this. So let's crack on with the video, let's have a look at what we've got and let's get it on the car. So Quantum Quality Solutions all make their parts in-house, and I got Tom to send me some videos of them actually making some parts, so I'll put that up here. Absolute quality parts. Alright, so in our box, let's have a look. So we've got some 2-part epoxy. We have a coolant cap. The quality of this stuff's absolutely brilliant. It's literally, it's solid. It is billet aluminium, and do you know something? It does look really cool. Right, so back on. So we've got the coolant cap. We have an oil cap. Screen wash cap. And 2 strut top covers. Because you know, I don't know about you, but my plastic ones are always coming off. I literally look at them and they just fall off. So this is going to be a solution which will stop that from happening. So obviously 2 of those. If you're enjoying these videos, please give them a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Right, let's start getting these on the car. Let's start with the easiest one first, which I reckon will be the washer. So it's time to remove this. This is quite straightforward. There we go. That literally just pulls off around that and off that comes. Keep that somewhere safe if you ever want to use it again in the future. But I don't know why you would with these quality parts. Then there is our new one. Now would you have it sitting like that? Or would you have it sitting like that? That is the question. I think I'll go like that for the moment. Right, so that's that on. So the wash cap is literally just a push fit like you just see there. It goes on. So let's tackle the coolant cap. So this is our coolant cap. Let's see what it'll look like on. You can literally just push on, where you can see the recess in the back just literally goes over this part here. Quantum Quality Solutions does give you 2-part epoxy, so what I will probably do is put just a little dab there and a little dab at each end on this, so 1 little dab at each end, just to make sure it's not going to come off in the future. I doubt it will anyway, but just to make sure, let's just get it on and get it done. So that's all I've done, is literally a couple of little blobs inside. So now we can just go and pop this on. All pushed on. and looking quality. So it's a pretty similar sort of thing to do on the oil cap, so we'll probably do the oil cap next. So let's go and get that. So here's the oil cap. Obviously, you know, exactly the same, great quality. This is like proper solid stuff. So yeah, so that's what we've got next. So let's put that on. Same thing again, I'll put the 2-part epoxy, cut little dabs each end, and then we'll get it on. You don't need much of this stuff. Alright, so you can see the epoxy started to go like a whitish colour. So same again, let's just drop a bit in there. Drop a bit there. So smeared a bit in there in the end. So let's just go and pop this on. How cool does that look? So that is all you've got to do, is just push that on like that, and that is how that works. So next bit, we're going to attack these. So these are really annoying because they literally just keep on falling off. You can see the amount of silicone and stuff, you know what I mean, just to hold them on. So I'm hoping that these ones are going to grip a lot better and stay on, and also they're going to look a lot better as well. So off they come like that. But these are a little bit different. So on these, they actually have a grub screw, so you shouldn't be needing no epoxy no more. So that can go over there, and so the top, let's just see what these are actually going to look like on. Oh, do you know something? They do actually push on quite nice and tight. They actually sit on there and look absolutely quality. They're not going to sort of fall off, but do you know something? I'm going to probably do the grub screw up anyway, just because it's there, so you might as well use it. But do you know something? How good does that look? It literally just, I mean, you can hear it as it grips onto the rubber around the outside. Look, listen. You know what I mean? But yeah, I will do this up. I might even put a little bit of Loctite on this. But yeah, oh my god. How much better does that look than these crappy little plastic things that just fall off every time you look at them. I mean, mine have got a little tiny little crack there. These ain't cracking though, are they? Right, so let's find the right size Allen key for that grub screw. Right, so I found Allen key to fit that grub screw. I put a little touch of Loctite on. So I'm going to try and do it so I can keep the grub screw inside, because I think it would just look better. So that just literally pushes on that and looks absolutely wicked. I mean, it's probably not going to come off anyway. Here's the other side. Again, just push that on. Sorted. With the grub screw in there, obviously you can tighten that as well. You could put some adhesive inside. There's many sort of options you can do, but I mean, I don't think they're just going to fall off anyway. They are gripping on there quite well. And to be fair, once the bonnet's down, there's not really anywhere for them to go. But if you do need to tighten them, as I said, you've got a grub screw here. You could put some of the 2-part epoxy underneath, or maybe a little bit of silicone or something, but I think they're going to be all right. So that is our engine bay all dressed up with quantum quality solution parts, and it does look a lot better than standard. So let's just check it out. So I'm well pleased with those parts and they fit absolutely brilliantly. You know what I mean? The quality of them. In the description, I will put down a link to their eBay shop so you can see what parts they are doing, and also you can see the prices of things. But a nice little bonus for you all, I'll put down their link to their email, and if you email them and say CarChris10 in your email, you will get 10% off the part that you want. So what I'm saying is, go and have a look on their eBay, see the part you want, and then email them directly with the email here and say CarChris10 and they'll give you 10% off the prices. Also, speaking to Tom from Quantum, he asked me what other things that they could make for, you know, the Audi TT Mark 1. So if any of you got any ideas, put them in the comments. We'll speak to Tom and we'll see if he can do something for us. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.